Rocco. Hi, sweetheart. Why don't you show us what you do with your toy? Rocco? Rocco? That's Vinnie sleeping. Hi, Vinnie. You sleeping? Hi, Vinnie. Someone's being punished, huh?
Down the hands on a crossing pattern. Devery Henderson, he's a threat. Henderson for 20 yards a catch over the last 3 years. Trying to get the ball to Henderson. Devin McCourty's trailing him across the defense. I don't know if Henderson would have gotten that first down. Even if he had caught it, it looked like it was just short of it. So McCourty was going to hit him. He's going to go for it here on fourth down. Why not? 4th and 6. Saints trailing the Patriots 10-0 early second quarter. Real breeze against the full blitz. Lets it go long. Definitely will be thrown against the Patriots. It'll be a first down. It'll be against Butler. They went to Lance score on the deep pattern, and Butler got him helping out. Because all of a sudden the progress downfield with a very fast receiver stop.
Illegal contact. Number 28. 5-yard penalty. Automatic first down.
And it usually doesn't look like a huge deal. Butler puts his right arm right into Lance Moore's chest, right there. And it's, you know, I honestly, was it contact? Yeah. If he hadn't made contact, could Moore have gotten to this ball? I'm not sure. I mean, that ball did not look very catchable, but there's no doubt that that was early contact before the ball rocked. And it is a first down for the Saints inside their 35-yard line as they go to the run behind this big offensive line. Here, Thomas getting a long look tonight. 4th year back.
Take it easy.
5-4 at carry last year. Vince Wilfork at nose tackle was out the staff for the Patriots. That's really the sort of the missing link for a lot of really good teams is getting that running game. And when they got Pierre Thomas and Reggie Bush last year to legitimately follow that big offensive line and give Drew Brees an excellent running game, they took it to another level. It's one thing that honestly is probably holding back the Colts, even though they got to the Super Bowl. They don't have the running game to finish people off. Well, of course, the passing game, a lot of times starts with the running game. You got to keep the defense slang run. Rock Mitchell, depending on Reggie Bush. 3rd down now comes up for the Saints. Yeah, this is a quarterback for his accuracy, and this is a group of